Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been locked out of editing a sheet in Google Sheets, maybe you're collaborating with coworkers or you've set something up and can't make changes, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets. We'll walk step by step through how to access the protection settings and remove restrictions so you can take full control over your data again. Whether you're dealing with a stubbornly locked spreadsheet or just want to learn more about sharing permissions, you'll finish this video confident and ready to handle any protected sheet. Let's get started. First things first, if you're already signed into your Gmail account, you're halfway there. Up in the very top right corner of your Gmail page, there's a small square made of 9 little dots. Think of it like a control center for all your Google apps. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. A panel will pop up showing icons for all sorts of Google tools. Look for the bright green one labeled Sheets and give that a click. That's going to take you straight to Google Sheets. Now pick the spreadsheet you want to unprotect. If you're working with lots of different files, just find it in your list and click to open it. Down at the bottom of the page, you'll see tabs kind of like file folders with names for each sheet within your document. Right-click on the sheet name where you think the protection is. This brings up a little menu. One of the options here is Protect Sheet. Go ahead and select that. Even if you're not sure which tab is protected, don't worry. You can repeat this process on each tab until you find the right one. Once you click Protect Sheet, look over to the right side of your screen. A panel will slide out showing any protected ranges or sheets in this file. It may look a little technical, but this is basically just a list of anything that has editing restrictions in place. For our tutorial, we're interested in the range. That's where the current protection is located. Click on the protected range listed there. This will expand the details and you'll see who currently has permission to edit. Now to change those permissions, look for the option that says Change Permissions. Click that and you'll get a handy window where you can decide who's allowed to make edits. If you want to allow specific people, select Custom and simply enter their email addresses. If you want to open things up completely, maybe you're collaborating or just need it unlocked, you can just remove everyone from the list or set the permissions so that anyone with access can edit. Once you've made your decision, click Done. Give it a few seconds to update. Sometimes it can take a moment, especially if you're working with large sheets or lots of users. And that's it, you've now unprotected your sheet and can edit away or share freely with your team. Don't worry if you missed a step, you can always pause and replay as needed. These settings can seem a little hidden at first, but once you know where to look, it's a breeze to manage your document's security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any issues. I'm always here to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips and tricks so you can become the spreadsheet pro of your group. Thanks and happy editing.